everyone, welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Orina. South Goa MP Captain Viriato Fernandes has voiced strong criticism against the government following Qatar Airways' decision to shift its operation from Daboli Airport to Manohar International Airport. Fernandes accused the government of applying undue pressure on airlines to move to the privately managed airport. Meanwhile, several other people have raised serious concerns over Qatar stopping its operations at Daboli.
Especially South Goa. There has been a concerted attempt to close down the Daboli airport. कितले तर ताणे म्हणे की आम्ही बंद करिना आणि ते सगळे फोटी तांच्याच मिनिस्टरांनी स्टेटमेंट दिले फाटी की उमको मिनिस्टराक अप्रोच जाला उमकी प्रायवेट कंपनी GMR अप्रोच जाल्या हांगासान शिफ्ट करपाक प्रेशर घालता ते आमी म्हणूंक ना हे सेम सरकाराच्या मिनिस्टरांनी स्टेटमेंट केलो आणि ते सद जाता. Whatever the ministers of this government, cabinet ministers made statement that GMR is putting pressure. It is coming true. So Ashatar Airlines shift zale. There will be no operations here. And it will die a slow death. Kitle lok je directly or indirectly depend asa ya airport acher. The staff je kaam karta. Be it airline staff, ground staff, taxi drivers, motorcycle pilots, गाडे आसा, शेक्स आसा, 5-star hotels सगळे थंय एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट जाता. आमचे गरीब लोकांक खूब जॉब मेवले आसा, जावं ते वेटर, जावं कुक्स, जावं स्टीवर्ड सगळे सगळ्यांक जॉब रायट अप टिल काबदराम काणकोणा. कित्याक टुरिस्ट जेन्ना लँड जाता वो फूल कोस्टल एरियाज लोक वेता आनी एका प्रमाणे इकॉनॉमी चलता, लोकांचे पोट तरी चलता. सो कटर एअरलायन्स जेन्ना बंद केलें हांगा ऑपरेशन आनी शिफ्ट जालें आयच्यान एट मोपा, दिस hasn't happened suddenly. The decision announced by Qatar was within 2 to 3 days of Pradhan Mantri Modi visiting Qatar. फाटल्या महिन्यांनी तर पैशात जेन्ना तांणी डिसिजन घेतलें शिफ्ट जावपाक तेन्ना प्रधानमंत्री मोदी कतार गेल्लो, दोहा गेल्लो. इज देर अ लिंक? आनी लोकांक दुबाव लागपाक लागला. कित्याक मोपा जेन्ना शिफ्ट जाता मोर एंड मोर ऑपरेशन कोणाक फायदो जाता? लोकांक जायना. हे पळय क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट अराउंड मोपा प्रॉपर्टी घेतिल्ले आसात, तातूंत आमचे मिनिस्टर्सूय इन्वॉल्ड आसात प्रॉपर्टी विकपाक. The
government of Goa is facing criticism over the recent fuel price hike. In a Gazette notification issued on Friday, the government increased value-added tax VAT on fuel, increasing the cost of petrol by ₹1 and diesel by 35 paise. Congress says that this is just the beginning.
We have reacted to this fuel hike in the morning. ये तो होना ही था. ये और सरकार बारीक जनतेचो म्हाका दिसता हे अच्छे दिन तेमी दाखोवन दिले. इलेक्शन जालें आनी लोकांक इतले अश्युरन्स दिले. हे फ्यूल कट करून उडयले, प्रायसीस फ्यूल हायकाचे देंवयल्ले, पूण आज पोत्तोन तेमी चडयले. हें दाखोवन दिता हें फक्त जुमलेबाजी इलेक्शनाक सांगताले म्हणून. दे आर नॉट सिरियस. There are two hikes. One is the power hike as well, and power hike by 3.5%. When we spoke about the power hike, ani the fuel hike, this is like breaking the backbone of the normal citizen. Barik jantecho backbone मोडपाचो प्रयत्न हो BJP सरकार आणि प्रमोद सावंत सरकारान केला. With this, because of the huge inflation, आज दाखोवन दिता की जेन्ना मनोहर पर्रीकराचो सरकार जाल्लो, म्हाका याद जाता 2012 त्या वेळार तेणे वेट कातून 60 रुपयाचे प्राइस दिलेले. 60 rupees per liter was given to Goans, and वो तेगेलो शिष्य प्रमोद सावंत हेणें उरपाट केलें. हें कितें दाखोवन दिता भावंदो? हें दाखोवन दिता की दिस गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट सिरियस, ओन्ली जुमलेबाजी.
गोंय सरकारान डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान पेट्रोलाचे वेट वाडयला, पेट्रोल आनी डिझलाचेर. कालचो हांवें खंय तरी मिडियाचेर पळयला की थोडे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट वचून ताका मेळ्ळे आनी ताणें खंय कितें जीएसटीचेर खंय कितें बाचाबाच केली आनी ही सेड दॅट जीएसटी रेव्हेन्यू कशें वाडोवपाचें काय देंवोवपाचें कितें तरी आय रेड. ताजे आज ताणें गोंयकारांक एक गिफ्ट दिला बिकॉज ते पळय कोण थंय इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट दोन दिश्टी पडटा, तो एक धेपो आहा आनी दुसरो वेदांता. अरे वो वेदांता म्हणटा तो चोर. हाणें सरकाराक अजुनी 500 करोड रुपया म्हाका दिसता टुवर्ड्स कोल सेस दिल्ले ना, जो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी एव्हरी सेशनान विचारता. दुसरे तांणी मायनिंगाचे कितें तरी म्हाका दिसता 150 काय 170 करोड आमी इलेक्शना पयलीं काडिल्लो मुद्दो अजून फारीक केले ना. तांचे सोडटा आनी आज तूं लोकांचे 3 रुपया आनी तूं वेट वाडयता. बट दीस शोज की हे सरकार फक्त अडानी, अंबानी, वेदांता हेचे पळय कोळसो हाडटात. हांकांच वाचोवपाक हे सरकार आसा आनी सामान्य बारीक गोंयकाराक कावार करपाक हे उठले.
Goa Congress held a protest against the NEET examination paper leak. Congress has alleged that this is a slap on the face of the corrupt BJP government, an utter failure of the Modi government. Congress has demanded that the government pays attention to the injustice that has been done to the several aspirants of NEET.
Justice! गली गली में शोर है, NDA चोर है, गली में शोर है, NDA चोर है.
आणि NSUIचे सगळे स्टुडंटाचे भुरगे, पत्रकार भाव खरेंच दूख भोगता. आज जे म्हाका दिसता जे देशांत जी घडणी घडली आनी जेन्ना घडली नीट एग्जाम हाचो पेपर जेन्ना लीक जालो त्या वेळार जे मुल्लान सांगिल्ले भाशेन a NEET exam pertains to the livelihoods and the future of all the doctors, aspiring doctors of the country. And today their future is in the dark. आज जोड 24 लाख भुरगे काळकांत आसात. तेज नंतर इतल्यो फॅमिली डिस्प्लेस जालेले आहाय. फियर एंड एन्झायटी जालेली आहा इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस failure of this Modi government, failure of the education department and failure of the national NTA, this agency that is responsible for this mess created on the future of our students. And आता jenna report aile, then it was always known to the education minister and to the government of this mess, but they denied. आज jenna पेपराचेर आमकां गोवन येता की बिहारच्या गांवांत one student has confessed to this crime, 4 have been arrested, in which they have said that 30 to 40 lakhs of rupees was paid to leak this NEET examination paper. It was also said that some teachers were given about 7 lakhs rupees. One particular institute, coaching institute, 2 crore rupiya of check translation has been caught under suspicious grounds. So what are we doing? This is the failure of this BJP government that says that there was no scam in any department.
South Goa MP Captain Viryat Fernandes said that the issue will be raised by India Bloc in the upcoming parliamentary session.
The Congress party will be taking up this matter in parliament. आणि already हे सगळे न्यूली इलेक्टेड MPs पळय आसा सगळ्यांक कळिल्लें आसा की हे जावपाचें आसा म्हूण. इवन आमचो लिडर श्री राहुल गांधीन ऑलरेडी सांगला कित्याक this is affecting not only the future of students but future of the country, because students are the future of the country. So itle आमी आश्वासन दिता की we will not let down the student community across India.
Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
The Kalangut Panchayat has written to the North Goa Collector, Goa Police, Director of Panchayats and other line departments for an opinion on having the resolution of entry restriction into Kalangut Panchayat areas. Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira says that the resolution was unanimously taken by the Panch members after realizing that some tourists entering Kalangut only leave a trail of nuisance in the tourist areas. Accepting that though it cannot take a unilateral decision on this, he says this is a necessary move.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Basically, there is no notification as such. There is a resolution adopted by the Panchayat. See, what happened is that there was a lot of issue in Kalangut. Now, all the stags for persons who comes in treks, buses, right? They come, they loiter around at night. They go to different restaurants. They term them as a, what you can say, they term them as a dance bar or a club. Right? There they go, and then they make a lot of issue. They were beaten up, their money is taken, and then they blame the Panchayat or the authorities in power. Second point, when they come, see, the whole issue is that, first of all, I want to bring to your kind notice that we have taken a resolution as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act. And as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act, we can't impose this. We have to ask the higher authorities to give us the permission. So that is why we have written this to the collector of North Goa. Then we have written to the Commissioner of Police, the Department of Home. That is the main important thing. Department of Home and the Director of Tourism, because tourism is directly involved in this village. So based on this, if I get these NOCs, then I will be implementing this order. If not, then I can't do it. Why we went in these details is that when some of our colleagues, when you or I, when we go to Mahabaleshwar, there are different taxes. The Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, Chhatra, Mahabaleshwar, they also impose taxes. Now, if all these taxes are there in that particular village, or in that, because we are also part of India. Now, if it is so, then we have to clean our village. People come with all these buses and those treks. They loiter, they go on the beach, sleep on the beach. The next day they use the toilet, the public toilet. The next day they get up and then they go off. In the meantime, the night what they have done, we don't know. They get beatings, they drink, they do all this nonsense. That is why we have put this in the place, that let us put something in the place.
Watch on Herald TV.
With the intervention of senior police officers, Day 2 of the new traffic flow plan of Margao helped to significantly reduce traffic jams near and around Fatima Convent and Loyola School. However, some parents said that the schools also need to play a proactive role in helping to manage the traffic flow, especially that of parents coming to pick their children from school.
Main mandada mara pe ada 1 o'clock ada sutta di 110 na katta second achi sutta 130% 4% होता उनके लोग येता मरे हांगा उबे होता the parents are पावसानी पुढे ते भितर सरपाक how they have to have a barricade and inside so people stand there only. Nobody wants to go and roll around. So when the children come, they walk out. Ankit दादा गेटी कडे पहिली ब्लॉक जाता मरे लोक किती करता गाडी घेऊन स्लो पळयता एक गेटी कडे किती प्रॉब्लेम जाला कडे everybody who knows it's fine but कोणा खबर ना तो पळयत रावता and ती comes really slow. So at least they should be, parents should be left inside. तू आता मागे 120 सुट्टा then I'll go and pick up at 120 and move out. I'll not come and wait over there. मागचे गरज पडून ना वेट करपाक मातशें
पूण हांगा गेटी 3 आसा सो प्रत्येक गेटीचेर स्टुडंट्साक डिवायड केल्यार
they divide no they divide करपाक तांकां ते गेटी कडेन वचपाक मेळपा ना आतां फुडले हे गेटी आनी फाटले गेटीन ती फुडले गेटी येवपाक ना फाटले गेटीन येवपाक मेळना आनी एक गेट ओपन कर
पूण 2 गेट आसा
हय 2-3 गेट ओपन केल्यार व्हेरी फ्री जातले आता 1 नंबर 2 नंबर 3 नंबर 4 नंबर 5 3 गेट आहा हिंगा ते साइडीन 2 गेट हे 3 गेट ओपन केल्यार फ्री जातले ट्रॅफिक.
The Imagine Panaji Smart City Development Limited IPSCDL finally opens the final stretch of the road from the Khakula Mall junction to the bridge near the Tonka sewage treatment plant for public use. Over the past 6 to 8 months, contractors faced various challenges while laying the sewerage line due to the high water table causing unprecedented delays.
The newly constructed road from the Kakulo Mall junction to the bridge near the Tonka sewage treatment plant spans 350 meters and has been made functional to improve traffic flow and connectivity in the area. The new road will enhance smoother commutes and reduce congestion, contributing to the overall development and modernization of the city. A few days ago, a portion of the newly built drain adjacent to the Tar Mad religious structure had collapsed following incessant rain. IPSCDL also acknowledged and appreciated the support of the people of St. Denis and the vicinity for their patience during the execution of the work.
The concerning matter of cattle blocking the main roads for commuters to travel have soared high, creating a problem for motorists, raising the risk of accidents and impeding the smooth flow of traffic. Due to the rains filling up the fields, these stray animals have taken shelter on the roads in search of dry ground.
हेचे खातीर आमकां फंड्स कांयच मेळना आनी आमचे लेबर आमचे खुद्द लेबर आमचे वचून तांकां कडे काडटा ते बी जाता तशें करून करता आनी सद्या अजून पर्यंत आमकां कांय येना तेका.
पूण हो जो आतां तुमी म्हणटा पळय फंड्स मेळना पूण हेजे पयलीं कोणें एक ट्राय तरी केल्ली हाडपाचे फंड्स?
सद्या ना पूण आमी एकदां पयलीं कोणाक विचारलें अशें बाकी म्युन्सिपालिटी की आमकां कितें हेजे वयल्यान कितें मेळटलें कितें अशें म्हणून तेणी आमकां सांगलें मागीर पळया केल्यान ती तशीच फायल दवरली पूण आमकां कांय परत कांय सांगूंक ना तेणी.
तुमकां प्रोसेस खबर आहा पूण अशें मेळटा हें तुमकां खबर आहा?
मेळटा खबर
पूण प्रोसेस कितलो तुमकां
मेळ्ळा कुडचड्यार बी मेळ्ळा
पूण तुमकां प्रोसेस खबर आहा कितें?
ना.
सो तुमी केन्ना कोणाक दुसरे जे सीओ आहा तांकां विचारपाचो केन्ना प्रयत्न केले?
प्रयत्न चालू आसा अजून बरें.
म्हळ्यार तुमकां आतां पावस येयला तुमकां खबर आहा पावसाच्या दिसांनी ही गोरवां जी आसा ही रस्त्यार आसा सो तुमची कितें एक्शन घेतले आसात तुमी सध्या?
सध्या आमी आमचे लेबरांचे खुद्द घालून आमी 3 जाण आसा धांवणेता हे करता पूण ती गोगोवन त्याच जाग्यार येता न्हू.
आनी खंयची गाय मेली जाल्यार तेजी कितें करता?
आमीच काडटा म्युन्सिपालिटीच काडटा टावनाक.
तेका कितें फंड्स आहा काडपाक म्युन्सिपालिटी? म्हळ्यार स्वताहून काडपाचें?
स्वताहून काडटा आमी.
तर हेजे फुडें तुमी ट्राय करतले हाडपाचे फंड्स?
ट्राय करता सांगत जाल्यार आमी ट्राय करता. आमी डीएमईक बी विचारले पयलीं कांय सांगना आमकां आनी आतां आमकां पेमेंटूय बी आमचो जायना म्युन्सिपालिटी आनी तेकाच लागून चड प्रॉब्लेम
लागून आमी जो कॅटल इम्पाउंडींग आसा हो ड्रायव आमी लास्ट इयर जुनाच्यान चालू केल्लो ऑलमोस्ट जून जुलयाच्यान चालू केल्लो आनी टील डेट आमी 6-7 ड्रायव केल्ले आसा आनी अशे टोटल नंबर जर काडलो जाल्यार अराउंड 179 कॅटल आमी इम्पाउंड केल्ले आसा. 119 गोरवांक आमी व्हरून दिल्ले आसा. आतां आमी एक एजन्सी कडेन टाय अप केल्ले आसा गोमंतक गौसेवक महासंघ बिचोली. आतां हो गोमंतक गौसेवक महासंघ बिचोली तांचे जे लोक आहा ते प्रत्येक फावटी येता रातचे 2-3 तांचे ट्रक असतात आनी ट्रकां घालून आमचो कॅटल पाउंड आसा विराज करमली तांकां एसिस्ट करून आमी हो प्रत्येक ड्रायव करता. आतां हे ड्रायव करपा फाटल्यान आमकां गव्हर्मेंटा कडच्यान एक बरोसो रक्कम मेळ्ळी आसा. एक अराउंड म्हाका दिसता 1,52,26,875 रुपया गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवान आमकां दिल्ले आसा. हे जे प्रॉब्लेम लोक फेस करता हे गोरू असले कारणान कितें जाता तुका एक्सिडेंटूय जाता आनी खूब तरेची प्रॉब्लेम जाता लोकांक. बाजारांत शेण आसता आनी लोकांक वचपाकूय मेळना. सो हें क्लियर करपा खातीर गव्हर्मेंटाचो आमकां हेल्प आसा.
Gaurish Sattarkar for Herald TV.
The translocated banyan tree at Kampal football ground has shown signs of new growth by shooting root sprouts, making it the first 200-year-old tree to be successfully translocated. Imagine Panjim Smart City Development Limited (IPSCDL) has removed the green shade net to allow the tree to receive natural light, air and water, encouraging it to grow into a bigger tree.
The age-old banyan tree which was trimmed and uprooted in the intervening night of the 5th and 6th of April. The tree was relocated from Panjim to the Kampal ground due to Smart City project works. The Smart City officials were bound to cut the tree as it was posing a hindrance in their work. But the Panjim environmentalists adamantly stopped the crime of the officials and opted for relocation to a new football ground. The translocated banyan tree at Kampal football ground has shown signs of new growth by shooting root sprouts, making it the first 200-year-old tree to be successfully translocated.
Now this is the first, what Daniel has told me, this is the first 200-year-old tree that's been successfully transplanted also. So that I want to commend Smart City for what they've done. So now they've formed a committee Now, what they said is they extremely they want to protect all the tree cover in the city, and in order to do that, they formed this committee. So they've committed to actually planting like hundreds and thousands of trees in the city itself. So for that, I want to thank them, and I'm sure the tree will do extremely well.
आणि सांतिनेच ते गणपती देवाकडे आणि सेम असले बनियन ते तुम्ही किती केले किती उडयले मारून सायडीचे सेम ओढले असले ते वाईट वर्ड्स कट दॅट टाइम
बनियन ट्री हियर
सेम ते हे झाड असले न्ही बनियन ते सायडीकूच एक 20 मीटराचे ते गणपती टेम्पल ओढले झाड असले
ना ते रेन ट्री
ना रेन ट्री असून आणि एक असले पहिली वी आस्क्ड बाबूश ऑल्सो दॅट टाइम ही टोल्ड दॅट विल बी सेम बट दॅट ट्री वॉज डिसअपियर बनियन ट्री वी हॅव द फुटेज ऑल्सो इट वॉज लाईव्ह एव्हरी टाइम
Why it was not for 2 trees? We have cut this thing with the forest, and one permission was for the translocation of this banyan tree. So that we have translocated. So, the reason for this, like how we took the permission, everything that, because there was a lot of things in the media that suddenly we came one night and removed this. You all were also there that day. So that whole thing, it happens in days and weeks. It takes for it to be translocated. So that whole journey we have sort of done a presentation, kind of an exhibition thing, which will be there here today, whole day, for people to know like what humongous task this is. And then we had a committee basically of 3 experts, whoever sir is like he doesn't need any introduction basically. So they had advised us in all these things with forest people, G Suda, Smart City, and also the contractors. So we worked really hard for the past 2.5-3 months to rehabilitate this.
That banyan tree is still alive. So what I say is this banyan tree is still alive. And let us wish it well, send positive vibes. Look at this. So this is an actual indication. When the tree gets a little hurt, anyway, any part of the tree you remove with a nail. Okay, now. Yeah. So this is a very good indication.
So new roots have been formed now.
Yeah, and then now what happened? We have opened it up, so the tree will get a lot of breeze, get natural light, and with the rain, it will start throwing out lot of new roots.
Then किती difficulties तुका लागली जेन्ना सुरवातेक दिन तेका plant.
First of all, the chemicals were not available in Goa, so we required a lot of chemicals. We required a lot of rooting hormones, which Goa was not available. So we had to call in from Bombay. But luckily, these chemicals were available in Bombay, so we put it on the bus. So here we used a lot of hormones to activate the root hormones here. And major problem was this procedure was done in the peak of summer, which nobody can do. It is a total wrong time of the year. But what we did, we created this microclimatic condition by putting this grain net. So we maintained a good humidity inside. And 4 times a day we used to water this tree. Starting 4 times a day, water it and keep the tree moist. So that's the reason this tree is sort of. I mean, the backup system was very good. We had a very good backup. So Tekalagon, this tree is doing well.
The 10th International Yoga Day was observed with great enthusiasm across the state as people from all walks of life participated in doing yoga on Friday. The theme for this year's event, Yoga for Self and Society, resonated with the participants as they emphasized the importance of practicing yoga for better health and for the community. Led by experienced instructors, participants delved into various yoga asanas, breathing exercises and meditation practices.
As you know that this is a promenade for walking and cycling, basically for increasing the livability index for the city. So we have designed this promenade and this full project. And this particular part of the project is called Yog Kshetra, which has the Yog Setu and all the various yoga positions on this space. Basically, this is a public space for people to use as a space to promote yoga. So we had basically inaugurated this last year, and this is our actually first year anniversary. So last year also we had this event, and now this is our second event now this year. We intend to hold more such events so that we can promote this thing. That is also the theme for this year's yoga day. So under the Smart Cities mission, we had invited a lot of citizens. They were a lot of interested. So this is how we had organized this. And
it's from your side for the youngsters in regards to the yoga.
Yes, yoga. See, I am also a youngster. Basically, yoga helps you because we are so much into social media and all these things. We need a detox of our mind. So if you take out 40-45 minutes, as the instructor had advised us now, it is good for your detoxing of your mind as far as us youngsters are concerned, because constantly we are on the screen with all that blue light. So yoga would be a good thing to improve your lifestyle.
Or all young crowd, when we give exercises of yoga or yogic exercises, it is very good for one of the most important thing is our health. Health is wealth. So that is the way Ms. we enjoy also, and I think everybody should enjoy, because when health is good, you can do all your life is easy. So I would like to say that in the morning, at least everybody should give at least 40 minutes or half an hour to themselves, to yourself, so that you can understand yourself. Yoga is nothing but understanding yourself.
Ma'am, if person does
See, yoga is nothing but a science. It's a complete medication. That is why I say. And above all, it is a complete spiritual system, spiritual insight. So when we do yoga, exactly what happens? See, your body gets contracted, your tissues, and expanded. So lot of energy is generated, and that is why whatever diseases, unknowingly or knowingly, we don't know inside our body what happens exactly. There are a lot of systems which are working. So when we practice regularly, lot of healing takes place. So I think you don't need to visit a doctor. If consistently, underline, if we do it consistently, yoga is the best medicine. So therefore, yoga is a complete lifestyle. So routine you do, the same way you can practice yoga. At least 40 minutes you have to give in the morning, and then start your work.
Story by Sagun Gaude for Herald TV.
And in some sports news, Goa Sports Club secured a thrilling victory over Navali Villagers Union in a nail-biting encounter that ended 6-5 in their favour via tiebreaker. This victory propels them to the final of the 13th Kana Benalim Panchayat Trophy Inter-Village Football Tournament. The match played at St. John the Baptist Football Ground saw Navali Villagers Union take an early lead with midfielder Friend Pires striking a superb volley in the first half. However, Goa Sports Club fought back strongly, equalizing through Kunal Salgaonkar's spot kick in the second half after Kunal Kundaikar won a penalty.
ट्रॉफी आणि हरादलन ट्रॉफी दोन्ही ट्रॉफी आपल्या स्पॉन्सर केले असतात. मिस्टर गोपा फर्नांडिस, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ युनायटेड क्लास बेनावली आणि प्रोप्रायटर पेड्रो बार बेनावली बीच. आम्ही आमच्या मिशनची बाबा संस्थांमध्ये म्हणतात हा कॅश टुर्नामेंटात प्लेयरांना ऑफिशियलांना रिफ्रेशमेंट आमचा न्यूली गावाचा लास्ट इयर मी वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स बेनावली त्यांना इंडियामध्ये म्हणतात. Man of the match from Justin Pereira.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.